viewer, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anchen. You're watching Aban Sun. So in this video I'm gonna tell you, if you are a beginner artist, so which drawing materials I'm gonna prefer you to use. Obviously a beginner artist can't afford high quality drawing materials like Tombow, Sakura or Staedtler, so I'm gonna tell you which drawing materials you should use, which drawing materials I'm gonna prefer you to use, because the drawing materials that I'm gonna tell you are used and approved by me. So yeah, if you are a beginner artist, you just need the papers and the pencils, the materials that are required to use by a beginner artist. I'm gonna tell you in this video. So yeah, without wasting time, let's quickly start this video. But before starting this video, I'm gonna tell you, most of you have yet not subscribed my channel. As you can see the bar here, most of the people have not yet subscribed the YouTube channel and they are watching the videos. So please subscribe, because if you will subscribe, it gives a lot of motivation to me to make new videos on YouTube. And if you find something new in this video, so please give it a big thumbs up. Share this video to a beginner artist or your friend who wants to make a career in art. So yeah guys, without wasting time, let's quickly start in this video. Let's quickly talk about the graphite pencils that I will prefer a beginner to use and which are best for the beginners. So let's quickly start with the graphite pencils. So let me tell you, first I'm having the Camel one and the Black Mart, Faber-Castell Black Mart, and Apsara and the Artline. So which one of these is the best for the beginner artist? So let me tell you. So I'm gonna prefer the Artline ones because they have a lot of darkness and they contain 10B graphite pencils, so they are really dark in values. So you can use the Artline one if you are not having the Artline one. So I'm gonna prefer you one more graphite pencil, that's the Camel one. As you can see, they also have the 10B grade, so you can also use them. If you are having the Staedtler Black Mart, so I'm gonna tell you if you should use the Staedtler Black Mart ones because they have a lot lighter effect. So if you are not having the Black Mart ones also, so you can use the Apsara ones, but the preference that I will tell you is the Artline ones, so use the Artline ones. So yeah guys, here we have the charcoal pencils. Here I am having the Apsara ones, and as you can see, and here I am having the Camlin ones. So in both of them I'm gonna prefer the Camlin ones because of their build quality and their charcoal quality, because the soft charcoal that we are having in the Camlin one, as you can see, it's so much dark, and I use it in every hair drawing that I drew. But never use it with the graphite because it will make a mess in your sketch. So I'm gonna prefer you the Camlin ones. Do not use the Apsara ones. The Camlin ones are the best for beginners, so use the Camlin ones. So yeah guys, I am here having the mechanical pencils, but the mechanical pencils do not affect your artwork if you are a beginner. So it depends on you if you want to use a mechanical pencil. So you can buy these mechanical pencils. They are pretty cheap in India. It costs like 10 rupees. In US, in dollars, it will cost like less than $1. So you can buy them. You do not have to use the expensive. Let's talk about the papers that a beginner artist should use from my preference. So here we are having the ivory sheets. These are of A3 size, and 20 sheets we are having. And here we have the cartridge loose sheets. That's of A3 size, 130 GSM. And these are loose sheets. 50 sheets we are having here, premium quality cartridge paper, acid free loose sheets, so you can use these sheets. So let me tell you which sheet you should use, the ivory ones or the cartridge ones. So from my preference, you should use the cartridge one. So let me tell you why should you use the cartridge ones, not the ivory ones. So let me show you. Here, the right side that I'm having, that I'm showing right now, that's the cartridge one. And let me focus. So as you can see, we are having grains in this. So there are a lot of grains, so it will help to add a darker texture. And here we are having the ivory ones. So as you can see, here we are having no texture, so obviously we will get the lighter results. As you can see, again we are having little bit of texture. So let me tell you the comparison of both. So I'm using a 5B pencil, so I'm gonna shade on the cartridge sheet which has the rough texture. As you can see, in the pencil shading you are seeing the rough texture. So if you are a beginner, you should use these sheets, and I have just added 3 layers as you can see, and we have so much dark result. And I'm gonna add 2 layers in these. So let's see which type of results we are gonna get. So as you can see, obviously we are gonna get the lighter results, and we have the lighter results. Through the comparison, we are having the lighter results compared as to the ivory sheet, the cartridge sheet. I prefer you the cartridge sheet because as you can see, we are having the lighter results in the ivory sheet. So beginners should not achieve lighter results, they should achieve some darkness in their sketches. So I'm gonna prefer the cartridge sheet. So you have to use the. So yeah, let's quickly talk about the eraser that I'm gonna prefer a beginner artist should use. I'm gonna prefer the skinable erasers. You can also use a normal eraser that you are having. You can get from any type of stationery shop, but you should have a skinable eraser if you are an artist. If you want to make a career in art sketching, so you must have an skinable eraser. As you can see, you can mold it in any shape and you can use it. I have made a particular video in depth on this eraser, so you can check it out. So yeah guys, let's quickly talk about the blending brushes that a beginner artist should use. That's a flat blending brush. That's not a blending brush, it's a paint brush that usually beginner artists use, and that's the makeup brush that a beginner artist should use. So I'm gonna tell you why should you use this. So I've shaded here with the 2B pencil and I'm gonna blend it with the normal paint brush, and you can see as it is not blending properly and the grains are left in between. So yeah, as you can see, you should not use the paint brush and you should use a blending brush. You can get this blending brush from any type of cosmetic shop you are having nearby your house. From the blending process that's proved, you should use a blending brush. Yeah guys, as you have seen the whole video, these were the drawing materials that I am gonna prefer a beginner artist to use, and these were the drawing materials that I was also using when I was at a beginner stage. Materials that I have told you, any type of beginner artist can afford these materials. Wait, the video is not end yet. I'm gonna make a big announcement on my YouTube channel that I am going live on Sunday. This is going to be my first live session that I'm gonna conduct on YouTube, my YouTube channel, because I have never conducted a live session on my YouTube channel. And if you are interested to attend this live session on my YouTube channel, timings of the live session that I'm gonna conduct the live session on Sunday at 4 p.m. afternoon. You can easily join the live session. If you want to join the live session from the starting, so you can press the bell icon down below. To press the bell icon, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to every artist you know, family members, and that wants to make a career in art. If you have learned something from this video, you can like this video. You all can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These are my IDs, and I'm gonna post a lot of informative things on my Instagram and Facebook, so you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So all the links, all the video links, all the things are in the description, so go and check out the description down below. So yeah guys, that was all in this video. I'm gonna meet in the next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching.